Hello kids, Prinzy here. Today I will teach you how to draw 6 easy Christmas trees. Let's get started. First I am going to draw our first Christmas tree. For that I am drawing one big triangle. Now I am drawing our Christmas tree pot. And now I am adding one big star in our Christmas tree. It's time to add some detailing in our Christmas tree. Great! Our first Christmas tree is ready. Now I am going to draw our second Christmas tree. It's going to be more wavy. Great! Now I am drawing our pot. Now it's time to add some detailings in our Christmas tree. Now I am drawing one big star in our Christmas tree. Great! Our second Christmas tree is ready. Now I am going to draw our third Christmas tree. Great! Now I am drawing a pot. Let's add one big star in our Christmas tree. Now I am add some detailings. Great! It's time to draw our fourth Christmas tree. Draw with me, kids. Now I am drawing a pot and one star. Great! Let's draw our fifth Christmas tree. Now I am going to draw a pot and big star. Great! Now I am going to draw our sixth and last Christmas tree. Now I'm going to draw a pot and one big star. Great job, kids. Now our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Christmas trees are ready. Now I'm going to add some detailings into our sixth Christmas tree. Great! Our Christmas trees are ready. Now let's color our stars with bright yellow color. Now it's time to color our Christmas trees with green color. Brown color for our pot. I am using different shades of green in our Christmas trees. For our pot, I am using brown color. Let's color our third Christmas tree. Brown color for our pot. Let's color our fourth Christmas tree. brown color for pot. Let's color our fifth Christmas tree. I am using brown color for pot. It's time to color our last Christmas tree. Brown color for pot. Let's light up our Christmas trees. Are you ready? Great! Our Christmas trees are ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great! We have 6 Christmas trees. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.